Today is Vlogmas day number 9 and it is episode 14 of Lexmas. Oh, this video is going to be kept short and simple because I'm not really putting on a lot of makeup. I'm just doing a little natural makeup look today.
The red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it,
I need to moisturize. Take a concealer brush and some concealer and spot check for the red spots. Like right here it's red, up here on my forehead is kind of red, my nose is always red, but it's fine, and then like some spots right there. So the concealer that I use is the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer Matte Finish in the shade Fair Warm. The only thing I have to say bad about this is I love e.l.f. products so much. They're so affordable. But the only thing I hate about this is how fast it dries. I'm going to use this Sassy and Shake BB Beauty Benefit Cream in Light 1 for the foundation. I'm only going to put a little bit because this is a BB cream. And with these types of products like BB creams, you can build up as much as you want, because sometimes I put a lot or sometimes I put a little bit depending on how I want my makeup to look that day. Like today I just want a natural makeup look, so I'm only going to be using a little bit instead of a lot. I want to set it with the Cardi Airspun Face Loose Powder in Translucent Extra Coverage. This is my favorite powder of all time, even though it smells like baby powder, but still. Now I'm going to do a natural eyebrow. I'm going to fill them in a little bit in with this Truco eyeshadow in the shade Root Beer. I'm not going to set them today. Go into this metallicized palette by Profusion and mix this shade and this shade. Also add it to the outer corner of the eye. I'm going to mix these two shimmer shades, so this one and this one, and add that to the lid. I'm just going to take this white and add that on top of it just to lighten it up a little bit. and it kind of looks like I cut my crease. And just go in with the brush that you use for your crease and just clean it up. Do the Changeable Fantasy palette, shimmer light blue, and add that to the inner corner of my eye. This just gives it a pop of blue for the winter. If you want, you can add dark blue instead. And for this look, you can add lashes if you want, or you can just use mascara. But because it is a more simple makeup look, you can also use like natural lashes too. But I'm just going to be using mascara today, so I'm going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara. Okay, I want to be using today is the Maybelline Matte Sensational Mascara. I'm going to be taking a little bit of blush just to give me that rosy cheek look. So I'm going to go into the Shiny Blush palette to take this shade. And I'm not going to use a lot though, because I don't want my cheeks to be too rosy. I'm just going to blend it in with a beauty blender. For lips, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Melted Liquefied Long Wear lipstick in the shade Chihuahua, and then also this Too Faced lip gloss in Fruitcake. So first I'm going to use Chihuahua. I'm going to use the Too Faced Fruitcake. Just to lighten it up a little bit, I'm going to use the Paris Hilton Ultra Gloss Lip Gloss. I'm going to add a little bit of highlight. I'm going to use this Ukabane highlight palette. So I'm just going to mix all four of the shades and highlight where I normally would, but not too much. It's really simple, really natural. If I were to go out in public, I would give myself some lashes, do probably just like a normal clear gloss, just so there's only one bold thing about my look. So if you guys enjoyed, please like and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell so you guys are notified every time I upload. I'm uploading every single day until the 25th of December. At 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. The other times are on the screen, as you can see, and they will be down in the description below of all of my Vlogmas videos. Follow my TikTok, which is Queen Alexia. Go follow my TikTok, which is Queen Alexia _YT, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.